Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add glowing text in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. Then click on New Project and select the video from the gallery to add in Capcut. Once the video is added in Capcut, play to see the video. Tap on Video from the timeline and swipe right in the bottom editing bar. Then click on Effects from the bottom editing bar. After that, click on the Video Effects option. Swipe right and click on Light Effect. Choose the effect you like. After choosing the effect, tap on the tick icon and view the effect on your video. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.